Welcome to this guide on finding your Starlink Wi-Fi password. We'll start by showing the basic Starlink setup with the dish and router. When connecting a device to Wi-Fi, you'll need the password. Here's a visual example of the connection process. The password is required for secure Wi-Fi access. Here's a close-up of a typical password setup. Remember, finding and entering the password is a one-time process for each device you connect. Open the Starlink app on your smartphone. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots in the corner. Select Settings from the menu. Choose the Wi-Fi option. The Wi-Fi password is displayed here. Open your web browser on a computer connected to your Starlink network. In the address bar, type the router's IP address, 192.168.1.1, and press Enter. You'll see the Starlink router login or settings page. Enter your credentials if prompted. Navigate to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings section. Look for the password field. To reveal the password, click the checkbox or button to show it. If you haven't changed your Starlink Wi-Fi password, the default password is located on the label at the bottom of your Starlink router. This label includes details like the serial number and manufacturing information. To change your Starlink Wi-Fi password, return to the app or web interface and locate the password change section in Wi-Fi settings. You'll see fields to enter your new password and confirm it. Choose a strong, unique password with at least 12 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. If you've forgotten your Starlink Wi-Fi password, you can perform a factory reset on the router to restore default settings, including the default password. Locate the small reset button on the back of the router. It's usually a pinhole that requires a paperclip or similar tool to press. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router restarts. This will reset all settings to factory defaults. Be aware that this will clear your Wi-Fi network name, password, and other custom settings. After reset, you can find the default password on the physical label of your router. When experiencing Wi-Fi connection issues, look for these common indicators on your device. First, ensure your Starlink router is powered on and properly connected. Check for any physical obstructions that might block the Starlink dish's view of the sky, such as trees or buildings. Try restarting the Starlink router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Make sure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password for your network. To recap, there are 2 main ways to find your Starlink Wi-Fi password. First, use the Starlink mobile app, which shows connection status and allows easy access to settings. Second, access the router settings through a web browser by going to starlink.local. Remember, it's important to use strong, complex passwords that are hard to guess and keep them secret. Change the default password for better security. The Starlink dish provides reliable internet connectivity when properly set up. Subscribe for more tech tips like this video and leave your questions in the comments.